So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can check all the data that have been stored on your MongoDB using API that you have created on the multiple projects. Now, in order to check it, simply log into MongoDB on any of the browser that you have, and let me quickly open MongoDB for me. And it will open something like this, the basic home page of MongoDB. Here, simply sign in to the MongoDB right there. I'll quickly sign in right there. And once you sign into your project, it will look something like this when you open your project settings. Now here you'll see this option of data size that shows what is the data that have been stored on your projects. Just simply click on clusters right there on the flat folder, and here you'll see the detailed information of the data size that have been stored on your MongoDB for a particular project. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.